my friends. All right, but now we're going to talk bundles. Yes. So you bundle these products for the summer?
Yes, actually I do a summer hot deals bundle for my customers at parties. So I do some products like a summer ready package. I do a bath and beauty line, and I always do TLC all through the year.
Okay, what's TLC?
TLC is the toy tote, the lubricant, and the cleaner. So anybody that goes home with a bedroom accessory pretty much goes home with the TLC package.
Okay,
absolutely.
Now do you take advantage of our sale and discontinued products to build these bundles?
Yes, so I stock up on a lot of inventory that I bring with to all my parties, so then I can suggest different products with customers when they're making purchases with me.
Okay, now you also do some summer bundles, right?
I do.
Okay, so tell me about what's popular right now.
The popular items are the bath and beauty for sure, body dew, coochie, skin therapy, all the ones that we're going to be getting summer ready for. As well as I like to utilize a lot of the discontinued items or things on the sale page. I like to get a bunch of those at one time and make bundles with that. I have a Father's Day bundle I'll be working on here shortly and posting on my social media as well.
Okay, so what's in the Father's Day bundle and how much does it cost?
It's going to be the shave, the clean, the spray, so all the ones that are getting discontinued. And then I'm probably just going to end up making it where it's probably like getting one item free. So it just looks a lot more enticing.
Okay, now where do you guys market these?
Everywhere. Social media, my work. I work with a lot of men, so I like to talk about that with them as well.
Where do you market yours?
I actually market mine at the parties. I have a spot where I do all my bundles, and then also I'll reach out to customers individually, also put on my VIP page, and do live broadcasts. Those are the best ways to reach a lot of people, is to go live.
I love the live broadcast. So what do? You put out your bundles, and then you go live on Facebook, and you just talk through it. How many sales would you say you get?
So I did a 10-minute broadcast of bath and beauty products before Mother's Day and had about $500 in sales from 10 minutes of work.
There you go. There you go. Okay, so I have a question. Do you start promoting the time and the date? Like, I'm going to be live at this time so that your customers know?
Actually, I don't. If I'm doing something in my VIP group, more of the wild side of Pure Romance, I will reach out and let people know to come and find me on my VIP. But if it's from any of our bath and beauty line, I do it. I just jump on and do it whenever it fits into my schedule.
Okay, last question, favorite summer party theme? If your hostess calls and she's like, I want to do a theme party, what do you guys say? What's easy? What do you do?
I would have to say I'm stealing it from Tammy, but the flip-flops and Jell-O shots. Everybody loves Jell-O shots. Everybody loves the flip-flops. As soon as we can break them out up here, they're on our feet.
For my weekend parties, I like to do sandals and sangrias. That's really fun. There's lots of fun recipes that way. I do a lot of flip-flops and Jell-O shots, but the fiesta theme is always fun. We're always ready to party.
I love it. I love it. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Okay, you're coming to National Training, right?
Absolutely.
All right, let's see a little bit promo for National Training, and we will see you in August.